Hello. Dirty girl is straight in a pot here. Dirty girl in a electric pot. Yes, look at it. Now look at sweet pepper now. Garlic, tomato, onion. That is it. This is a little electric pot. Silicone. Yeah, man. Boarding school style. Yes. About this pot and Amazon, I come with a little spatula. Cut it for the thing. See it? Yeah, man, that is it. Look at me pot a bubble. This is some dirty girl. This is some flash out. Look on it. Jack Mackerel Grace. Because onion and everything are salty already. So it's a gravy down. I'm going to turn off the stove in a moment. That is it. Meantime, I'm making the right planting to go with it. And a little parsley gonna go with it. So that is it. This is an electric pot. See that? You can put it on the counter, on the surface, nothing gonna happen. It's not gonna burn or anything like that. Let me turn it off. The black pepper, let me cough a little. So this is it. It's a non-stick pot and it get it for less than $30. So if you're a student at boarding school, you know this. Ooh, good for you.